So for today we're going to be working on the Gsxr, the one that I had mentioned earlier or that you may have seen in some videos. So here's a Gsxr. It's an 07, purchased in 06. I got it from the original owner. What had happened was he had crashed the bike in 2007. It has 3,000 miles, but what happened was he crashed the bike and it messed up the tank. Like, this is the tank over here. Like, it is severely dented in, and when that happened it also cracked the subframe, but the rest of the bike is fine. The only issue is that it sat in the rain outside since 2007 and it had 12 years worth of water. What happened was when the tank dented, it cracked the oil, the air box, and all the water just pulled up in there and it rusted shut. The motor was seized when I first took the throttle body off. It was just water filled to the brim. But I put some rust remover and eventually everything sunk down and the motor is free. However, this is going to be too much of a hassle to try to get to work. And you see this here, that's from me turning over the motor by hand, that it was shooting out the fluid. But I have a motor over there, so we'll be swapping that motor over. So yeah, basically what we'll be doing, new fairings, new motor, subframe, right side rear set, and should be good to go. Basic maintenance, and that's it. Sprockets are actually in really good condition, surprisingly, but it will absolutely need a new change. They're alright. Surprisingly, they're good. This still has lube on it. It's pretty good.